log in to the website, click on the first text box and type in your username followed by your password. And then click the login button. Now that you have logged in, if you like, you can customize your skin by choosing skin chooser here. And you can see I've applied the Christmas theme. And if you want, you can change to the default theme, dark theme, and so on. I will stick with the Christmas theme. Next, you can look on the left hand side of the panel where you have all the challenges. So let's start with the basic missions. Click on basic missions. And now here we have a few missions that we can try. 11 in total. Basic 1, basic 2, basic 3, all the way to basic 11. So basic 1 is a basic test of your skills to see if you can do any of these missions. And the requirements is HTML. This is the first hint. So let's click on basic 1. And basic 1, the challenge is, this level is the idiot test. Is what we call idiot test. If you can't complete it, don't give up on learning all you can. And here there is a hint. If you have no idea what to do, you must learn HTML. And I'll give you another tip. In order to solve this challenge of the password, the first thing you need to do is to examine the code for this website, this web page. So this is the first skill of a hacker, being able to examine code. So to examine the code for this page, you can right click anywhere and then click on view page source. Note that I'm using Chrome browser, and then it will open up the page source. And this is the HTML code for this page. And then next thing we want to do is look for clues in here about the password. So the most common way to look for a password is to search for password inside the code itself. So we can click anywhere here, press Ctrl F to open the search text box, and in the search text box here, key in something to search for. In this case, we are searching for password. And you will see there are 5 hits. So down here you can also see the 5 hits. First hit, second hit, third, fourth, 5 hits. So the password string is found in the code in 5 different locations. And the next thing you do is to analyze the location where the password string is found. And you can find over here that there is a interesting line here. On line 147, we have a command, and this is a HTML command. A HTML command begins with the angle bracket, exclamation, dash dash, and ends with the dash dash, exclamation. So this is what a HTML command look like. Whenever you want to create a command in HTML, you put a left angle bracket, command, exclamation mark, dash dash, and then type your comment. And then when you finish your comment, you put dash dash, close exclamation mark. So comments are meant to help you as a programmer to read and understand your code. So that is what comments are for. So in future, if you want to write any HTML and you want to explain your code, always use comments. Now coming back to our code. So over here you can see that the designer or the developer for this web page has put in a comment to remind himself what the password is, and this is sometimes done by developers in order to make the job easy for debugging, but later they forgot to remove this comment. So this is a good place to look for passwords or other clues about the web page. So now we can see it's clearly stated the first few levels are extremely easy. Password is this. So there is a password, E97A0E93. So we just copy this password and then paste it in here, right click and then paste and then click submit. And you get a congratulations message. So the principle that you need to know about hacking is firstly, look at the code, the source code itself. Source code itself can give you a lot of clue on how the website can be hacked. So in the future challenge, as we go on, I will also guide you like this, but I will give you an opportunity to try it first before I give you the solution. But for this first basic mission 1, I straight away explain to you how to go about solving the challenges in this website. So with that, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next mission.